All right, so we had our 4 players. We said our value was 25%. So I went down and did our bid list here. And if you go through, so if Annie, S1 would work, but S2, 3, and 4 would not. Beth must have been our divider because she has 25% for everything. Claire, S1, no, but S2. So Beth was S1, S2, S3, and S4. Claire, no, yes, yes, and no. So S2 and S3. And then Destiny, no, yes, yes, and no. So S2 and S3. All right. Well, Annie only liked S1. So in terms of my distribution, S1 goes to Annie. Beth liked them all. Claire only liked 2 and 3, and Destiny only liked 2 and 3. So Beth is going to get 4. And then now we just have Claire and we have Destiny. They both liked S2 and S3. Claire and Destiny both like S2 and S3, but Claire liked S2 more than S3, and Destiny liked S3 more than S2. So it makes sense that Claire would get S2 and Destiny would get S3. Okay. So that's where we're at with that example when you have more than 3 players. Now, our last example down here, we have a conflict because there are more choosers than items they think are fair in the bid list. So notice what we got here. Same idea. We've got 4 players, and so if we list out our bid list now, once again, Marcus was the divider, and you could tell because he's at 25% for all of them. And remember, because we had 4 players, 1 out of 4 would be 25% is my breaking point. So Marcus would be all the pieces. So S1, 2, 3, S4. Okay. Aaron is going to be, well, if you notice here, Aaron, no, that's not 25%. So the only piece that Aaron wants is the 4th piece. Okay. Now there's Amy. Now Amy, no. Now this is more than 25%, and this one's more than 25%. So Amy would be okay with 2 or with 3. And then last but not least, Kim, not 25, not 25, not 25. So Kim, the only piece Kim likes also would be 4. Okay. Now, let's see. Well, if you notice that Aaron and Kim here both like piece 4. So I can't really do anything with them yet. Now remember, Marcus likes them all, and Amy likes 2 and 3. So let's give Amy the highest of the 2 that she liked. So let's give Amy 2. So we're going to give Amy piece 2. Okay. And since Amy was between 2 and 3, we're going to go ahead and give Marcus the other one. That way, it's kind of out of the mix. So we're going to give Marcus 2 and 3. We're going to give Marcus 3. S3. All right. You with me so far? So now we're down to Kim and Aaron like the same piece. So what we're going to do, since we've already used piece 2, think about it, we've kind of used piece 2, and we sort of used piece 3 here. So they're out of the mix. So let's look at Aaron. Well, we're going to do basically the divider chooser method. So with Aaron, with the 2 pieces he has left, you've got 20 plus 40. would be 60%. And then Aaron would be half of that, because if you cut it in half based on divider chooser, then he's going to get 30% of what's left. Okay. He's going to get 30% of the original amount, in his opinion. And then likewise with Kim, if we put 1 and 4 back together as a whole piece and cut a new piece, then Kim is going to get 22 plus 35. So Kim is going to get 22 plus 35 divided by 2. And 22 plus 35 divided by 2. Kim's going to get 28.5% of that piece. All right. And that is going to be my distribution. All right. So let's do a couple practice problems related to what we just learned in the lone divider method.